Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Chapter 7 Ratio and Proportion. In the previous year's classes, you have already learned the properties of ratios and proportion. Now you are going to learn the composition of ratios. First one, compound ratio. For two or more ratios, the ratio between the product of their antecedents to the product of their consequents is called a compound ratio. Example, for ratios A is to B and C is to D, the compound ratio is A into C is to B into D. Second, duplicate ratio. It is the compound ratio of two equal ratios. Example, duplicate ratio of A is to B is equal to A into A is to B into B. That is equal to A square is to B square. Third, triplicate ratio. It is the compound ratio of three equal ratios. Example, triplicate ratio of A is to B is equal to A into A into A is to B into B into B. That is equal to A cube is to B cube. Number 4, subduplicate ratio. For any ratio A is to B, its subduplicate ratio is square root of A is to square root of B. Example, subduplicate ratio of 9 is to 16 equal to square root of 9 is to square root of 16. That is equal to 3 is to 4. Number 5, subtriplicate ratio. For any ratio A is to B, its subtriplicate ratio is cube root of A is to cube root of B. Example, subtriplicate ratio of 27 is to 64 equal to cube root of 27 is to cube root of 64. That is equal to 3 is to 4. Number 6, reciprocal ratio. For any ratio A is to B, where A comma B not equal to 0, its reciprocal ratio is equal to 1 by A is to 1 by B. That is equal to B is to A. Also, some important properties of proportion. First one, invertendo. According to this property of proportion, if A is to B equal to C is to D, then B is to A equal to D is to C. Number 2, alternando. According to this property of proportions, if A is to B equal to C is to D, then A is to C equal to B is to D. Number 3, componendo. If A is to B equal to C is to D, then A plus B is to B equal to C plus D is to D. Number 4, dividendo. If A is to B equal to C is to D, then A minus B is to B equal to C minus D is to D. Number 5, componendo and dividendo. If A is to B equal to C is to D, then A plus B is to A minus B equal to C plus D is to C minus D. Let us start exercise. First question. If A is to B equal to 5 is to 3. Find 5A minus 3B upon 5A plus 3B. Let A is equal to 5x, then B is equal to 3x. 5A minus 3B upon 5A plus 3B equal to 5 into 5x minus 3 into 3x upon 5 into 5x plus 3 into 3x. That is equal to 25x minus 9x upon 25x plus 9x. That is equal to 16x upon 34x. That is equal to 8 by 17. Next question. If A minus B is to A plus B is equal to 1 is to 11. Find the ratio 5A plus 4B plus 15 is to 5A minus 4B plus 3. Here let A minus B is equal to x. Then A plus B is equal to 11x. Solving this one, A minus B is equal to x, A plus B is equal to 11x. Adding these two equations, 2A is equal to 12x. Therefore, A is equal to 6x. A minus B is equal to x, which implies that 6x minus B is equal to x. Therefore, B is equal to 5x. Now, 5A plus 4B plus 15 upon 5A minus 4B plus 3 is equal to 5 into 6x plus 4 into 5x plus 15 upon 5 into 6x minus 4 into 5x plus 3. That is equal to 30x plus 20x plus 15 upon 30x minus 20x plus 3. That is 50x plus 15 upon 10x plus 3. Here 5 is common. 5 into 10x plus 3 upon 10x plus 3. 10x plus 3 and 10x plus 3 will be cancelled. Therefore, the answer is 5 is to 1. Next question. Find the number which bears the same ratio to 7 upon 33 that 8 upon 21 does to 4 upon 9. Let the required number be x. Then 8 upon 21 is to 4 upon 9 as x is to 7 upon 33. Which implies that, product of extreme is equal to product of means. That is 8 by 21 into 7 by 33 equal to 4 by 9 into x. Therefore, x is equal to 8 by 21 into 7 by 33 into 9 by 4. That is equal to 2 by 11. Therefore, the required number is equal to 2 by 11. So, I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.